at Faculty of Management in MBA classroom, we use extensively Harvard Business School cases. The case teaching methodology itself is actually very unique methodology where students are actually given the opportunity of contemplating a problem and going through the problem as though they are actually dealing with that problem. We have taken a lot of new initiatives in Faculty of Management. For instance, we have subscribed to Bloomberg's Lab. Through Bloomberg's Lab, we would like to actually train all our MBA students who would want to specialize in especially finance, economics and things like that. Because Bloomberg has worldwide data sets through which you can actually train people on issues related to financial market institutions, and it is a very deep data set. It has a lot of information about logistics and how logistics work and things like that. So we would like to extensively integrate Bloomberg as one of our key curriculum input in all the courses in MBA.
I have come here to bring the transformation in Faculty of Management. We have completely revived our courses. You will be surprised to know that all the courses had 9 programs. Today, anybody who is doing MBA at the Faculty of Management, one of the top class business school emerging in Asia, they have to do compulsory course for the first year. In the second year, they go on specialization. Same case studies that we have been using in IIM Lucknow and IIT Bombay, we are using here, which are Harvard-oriented courses. But the best part is, because see, the SRM Institute is having still 60% students from Tamil Nadu, and they are from the rural areas. So what additional part that we have introduced, that these students, they go through with the case studies, they come in the class, some are ready, some are not ready. So what we do, we try to give the role playing to some student that will play the role described in the case. We create some students from the same class as the stakeholders. They discuss, they argue, they churn, and then they come out with a solution. The solution that they are giving in the case may not be necessarily the same as it was given in the case. That becomes the learning. That becomes the turning point. And then students say, bro, we have given the same solution which the professor of Harvard has given. And they feel happy. Next time they come ready. Next time they present in a better way. So combination of case study along with the role playing which is created in the class is the additional component of the teaching pedagogy.
So we have a very unique program that runs from the first year and all through till they get into the placement season. So we have introduced this thing last year and it worked really well for us, and we will continue to handhold our students and make sure that they have good placement outcomes through the program, through our MBA program.